for us. And it's just about thanking everybody who's been kind to us and who will be kind to us. And we really just are in a new phase of our lives where we're looking for positive energy and blessings and happiness all around us. So in advance, for those of you who haven't, thank you for your blessings.
I think that's exactly what I wanted to say. And like I said, I began by saying that I don't have much to do in this besides just being there for her and making it as easy as possible.
That's lovely, and that's really wonderful. And I can guarantee you, you are going to get everyone's blessings, not just here, but from everywhere.
Thank you.
And you both shall truly be blessed.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much for that candid share of your experiences. Now, to understand this concern better, we'd like to call on stage Dr. Kiran Koilo. She's a celeb gynecologist, and Dr. Rashmi Shetty, a celeb cosmetic dermatologist. So please welcome them on stage.
So should I recap?
Yes, please.
So there are 3 or 4 major concerns. 1 being stretch marks, of course, and 2 being pigmentation. There are certain women with acne getting exacerbated during pregnancy. And the other commonest thing is itchy, dry, sensitive skin. So these are the few concerns that commonly is asked.
And so your suggestions to them would be?
So one is, why do these happen? One, of course, there's a lot of hormonal variations in the body, so it's important for us to be aware that changes are happening. And 2, most pregnant women feel very sweaty and very irritable, so they tend to have long showers, so that rips away the body oils further. And then you tend to stay in air-conditioned environments, that makes the body dry further, so therefore sensitive. Skin is opening up to accommodate the baby bump. So there is going to be fibers like elastin and collagen which are kind of cracking up and opening up for it, and therefore the stretch marks happen. So the best thing one can really do, which is simple and very handy, is use a lovely oil. So if you look at oils which have ingredients like maybe calendula, maybe lavender, maybe vitamin E in it, so that's very lubricating, it's very calming and soothing. So it kind of helps the skin when it is giving way to be smoother, so the stretch marks is much more lesser. And as they are happening, it's kind of soothing and healing the skin simultaneously. Also, the vitamin E usually gives a lot of hydration to the skin, so the itchiness is not that much. And most of these oils, since they're calming and soothing, also act as anti-pigment. So the pigmentation that one tends to get during pregnancy is also minimized. So look for a fantastic oil with some lovely ingredients like lavender, chamomile, vitamin E. So they really help, and regular massaging of it twice a day, and maybe husbands pitching in to help doing that better. So these are the things that also helps bonding and indulging.
And so what was your first... Oh, that's a Big Bang Theory. What was your first concern, Soha, initially? In terms of skin, what would you have felt? What was your first concern?
Actually, we don't think about things like stretch marks because suddenly you just start putting on weight, firstly, and you see yourself. Like I said, I was 49 kilos for so long. Suddenly you're 51 and suddenly you're 53. But one of the things that other people, because so many people have been through this, they tell you is that in your second trimester, you must do things like moisturize your skin, because once you put on weight in such a rapid way and then you lose that weight again, it's not just about getting back into shape, but your skin also goes through quite a destructive process. So I can say that one of the things a lot of people did tell me was start using bio oil in your second trimester, even before you start to stick out like that, because that will really help with the elasticity. Don't scratch yourself. So when you use the bio oil as well, you won't end up
the hydration
scratching.
also that helps
Otherwise, you
you to
injure yourself
prevent,
with your hands. You know, like stretch marks can be caused by a number of reasons. You know, even cats scratching at you. We have a dog at home
Even
covered in
cats? Wow,
scratches.
I like that.
Yeah, really.
That's a new one for me. Cats.
Yes.
Wow.
So that's why it's been very good advice and something that I would share with other people as well. In your second trimester, start using bio oil.
And I was having a lovely conversation with Soha earlier on, and Soha brought up this amazing point, and I'd like you to, and both of you in fact, to just touch upon it. When you said...
My interest and knowledge of bio oil actually comes is because in the gym I've seen so many people who go through body transformations. A lot of people lose a lot of weight to get muscular, or a lot of skinny kids, you know, they become really big and then they lose a little bit of weight, and you'll often see around the shoulders and, you know, on the chest, there's a lot of stretch marks. I used to always wonder how one could get rid of them. And then, voila, everybody was talking about bio oil, and that's how I actually got to know of the product, and I believe it really works. So I think it's something not only for women, but also for men. Anybody who has, you know,
also
pigmentation.
For teenagers,
Also for teenagers,
yes. Growing
yes.
up face, when the skin is expanding, you're growing. So it's fantastic to have something as handy as this.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And Dr. Kiran, concerns that you have faced?
Well, not concerns that not I have
Not
faced,
you
but
have
when
faced,
my
but
patients
when
come to me,
people,
yes,
when pregnant couples come to you.
I know. I think the first concern is when a girl who's just pregnant comes to me is that, doctor, how can I have a healthy pregnancy and not lose my figure and my face and my whole life? You know, because that is what, you know, do I really have to eat for two, and will I have stretch marks, and will I lose my complexion? And, you know, these are all the doubts, because here is a lovely, just married, or, you know, just very excited to be pregnant, but at the same time so fearful of what it holds. So therefore, I'm very grateful to Bio Oil to actually have this forum on the eve of Mother's Day to celebrate what the men's role in a woman's life when she gets pregnant, because men have to be very supportive. There are a lot of physiological and hormonal changes that a woman goes through very suddenly during her pregnancy. She becomes moody, she has water retention, her face breaks out in pimples, she gets stretch marks. So here the husband has to reaffirm his love for his wife, ensure that he's always there. Like Kunal said, you know, like Soha thought that it was a shoulder massage that she liked the best. And I think, you know, using a lovely massage oil, massaging the tummy, massaging the back, the shoulders, is a wonderful bonding with the new parents. In fact, 30 years ago, I started the first prenatal classes at Holy Family Hospital, because I had just come from the States and husbands were not allowed in the labor room. And I felt it's such a shared experience that they should be there. So the nuns, I convinced the nuns that if I have these prenatal classes and the husbands attend, and then they can come in at the time of delivery. And now all the husbands are in the labor room. They help to cut the cord, and they are such a strong partner for their wives. And it's a beautiful shared experience. So
that's so true. Thank you so much, Doctor. I mean, that's also so insightful, and I think it's a lovely peek into the experiences couples have. So thank you for sharing that with us. So on that note, I'd like to officially thank all of you, and thank you so much for all the experiences that each of you has shared with us. And thank you especially, Kunal and So.
Soha Rahman from ANI.
Hi.
सो मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि जिस सिचुएशन में अभी आप हैं, करीना भी रह चुकी हैं, तो करीना किस तरह से आपको टिप्स दे रही हैं, आपकी हेल्प कर रही हैं, ये जानना
आपका बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और ओरिजिनल सवाल है। थैंक
जी
यू।
जी
टिप्स बहुत मिलते हैं
जी
बहुत ज़्यादा टिप्स मिलते हैं करीना की तरफ से, अम्मा की तरफ से, सब जगह. But she's been very helpful and she has, like you said, recently gone through this. So I had lots of questions that I asked her as well on a daily basis. क्या मैं ये खा सकती हूँ, क्या ये allowed है, क्या वो allowed है, क्या ये सही है, क्या गलत है, वो तो चलता रहता है. No more questions.
Any other question?
Yeah. Hi, I'm from Stardust. So now that this phase is going on, will you miss this phase? I mean, this has been a time where you're enjoying yourself, you're discovering yourself, new things are coming up. So will you miss this phase when the baby is out?
At the moment, I'm in the middle of this phase, so I am every day. I'm learning new things and I'm enjoying it. As to whether I'll miss it once this is over, there'll be so much keeping us busy that I think we'll have our hands full. So I don't know if there'll be time to miss anything. But the idea is to keep looking forward in life. There's so many milestones to look forward to. So this is certainly one of the most important and most exciting of our lives. But there are many, I'm sure, that will lie ahead.
And I think you will have a wonderful baby, and its childhood will be amazing because you have a dog at home, and pets are the best things too.
I love you for saying that. We are, as everyone knows, huge animal lovers. Yes. And one thing we wanted to highlight about Bio Oil is that it doesn't do animal testing. And that's why we're very happy to be associated with them today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And one last question before we wrap up. Just one last question. No questions? That's lovely. Okay, thank you. Yay.
Thank you very much. Thank
you for being so considerate. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. And please help yourselves to some high tea, snacks, and some tea. Thank you. Have a lovely day and evening. Bye-bye.